Hello silly bakers, let's make protein pumpkin spice baked oatmeal. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to grease a 9x9 baking pan. We will need a large bowl and we're going to add a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 2 eggs, these are large eggs, 1 1/4 cups of milk, any milk. This is a combination of cashew and soy. The sweetener here is customizable. I'm using a 1/4 cup of maple syrup and a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. You can use any brown sugar substitute that you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to give the wet ingredients a good mix. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click your notification bell. Once everything is nicely combined, we're going to add our leavening agent, which is baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I make my own pumpkin pie spice, which is good really for the year. I will give you the measurements in the description box. Let's add our dry ingredients. We're going to add 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats. These are sprouted oats, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of ground flax, and 1/2 cup of protein powder. This is an unflavored protein powder. You can use vanilla, you can use pumpkin spice, whatever you prefer. And we're just going to mix everything until it's just combined. We are going to transfer that to our baking pan. Ready to bake. 350 for 35 to 45 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. And your house will smell absolutely incredible. This makes about 6 to 8 servings. And what I love to add is a little bit of a yogurt kind of glaze onto each serving. So I just add 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt to a bowl, and I'm going to sweeten it with about a teaspoon of maple syrup. Again, you guys can use any sweetener you like or no sweetener, and a dash of cinnamon. We're just going to up the protein for each serving, but again guys, this is optional. Enjoy our protein pumpkin spice baked oatmeal. Each serving has approximately 300 calories with 18 grams of protein and about 6 grams of fiber. It tastes like fall. If you love pumpkin spice anything, you're really gonna love this. They freeze beautifully. They're in the fridge 4 or 5 days, perfect for breakfast or any time of day. It's so good.